Hello again and welcome to episode 2. You will see from my screen that GCC Explorer is evolving. There are some style changes and there are some functional improvements. So in terms of style changes, you can see we've joined the dark side, but there's a toggle to take it to light mode. And as you can see, I'm not a style expert, so if you've got any pointers on how to improve this, I would really appreciate it. There's also some functional improvements. So for example, there's a back to form link, which takes us back to our form. As more options are added down the bottom here, I think that's going to be really handy. You'll remember from the previous episode that when there's a path in the log, it creates a hyperlink, and this should link to your IDE. It didn't work last time, but now I've got it working. What I had to do is go into Firefox preferences and create a protocol handler. You create that as a Boolean flag, and you set it as false. And then when a protocol is opened, starting with this word here, it will ask you what application to open. And I had to write a script that will take arguments of this format and then open up CLion using them. There's a VS Code link, and you can also add your own custom one. The base file path hasn't changed, and we've got some help dialogues now as well. So let's set this back to CLion. I've set my base file path as temp my project, which I've just symlinked to my main project. Let's explore. So first of all, you will see that the additional information, error, note, and warning messages are now different colors, and I think this will help identify the problem better. The local paths and system libraries are colored differently. Now, this assumes that a system library starts with a slash. It's probably not the best approach, but it works for me at the moment. If you have a different use case, please let me know and we can figure something out. I've changed the icons just to make things a little bit clearer. And I've removed the book icon for showing the template table because I think that was just more confusing than it needed to be. So now it just says show templates and hide templates. You can also toggle the system paths. Now, again, this assumes that the system paths are the ones that start with a slash, and if you click this link, they will disappear. Now, you will remember that I had selected CLion as my link handler, and you'll see in the bottom left of my browser that this wants to open the CLion : open file equals and so on link. And just to demonstrate this works, if I click dictionary.h, it opens up in my IDE. If a line and column is identified, it opens up at that line and column too, which is very useful.